we're playing vrfs. Oh, when I posted the video where I definitely did not mean to bite you. Defo. And I did just, and I definitely didn't say it like that, but I definitely didn't do a bite. If I thought it was another V instead of a F.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Okay. I'm going to be taking 5 penalties. I'm going to take 10 shots, see how many I can score out of 10. And, yep. And then I'm probably going to end it. This will be a long, like a proper video, not short. And feel free to wish me the comment if I am absolutely terrible. Just don't go too far. Right. First, it's probably not going to be 12 meters. I did not touch you. Are you trying to make me look mean? You didn't do that. Okay, so 12 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, I'm taking it from this one. I mean, like, this is probably where they take penalties in really. Wrong. Oh my god. I already missed one. Turning into Germany last night. Okay, sorry, Germany. No need for the hate there from me. That was going to ball. Make goal. That was really mean. One hand on my head. Here's my hand. I give up. You know?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
What I do?
Sit down. Didn't do anything. Give me a
Are you sure about that?
Put those down.
Are you sure about that?
Just fixing my headset. I think I made it worse.
Hurry up!
I can hold on. Right along. If you save this is my 4th one now. I'm retaking that one. Can't be bothered.
Failure!
Moving to essay. Did I really accidentally just turn around as soon as I'm about to shoot? Fuck. There we go. Last one now. Oh my god. Okay, time for my 10 shots. This is gonna be spicy. That weren't me playing. Fuck! Oh, thank you. I could not even see there. Far. Oh yeah, I haven't been counting. Far. That's 2. Oh, thank you. What's that actually like knuckleball, like down? Oh my. I have 6 more. 5 more. That one don't count. I have 4 more shots. My God, don't want me because of my dirty lawn. Let's go. What am I singing? Alright, 2, 3 more shots, I think. That's how we quit that window. Try that. But what one should I shoot with? This one. Alright. You better not be cheating. Alright. I'm about to take a shot. If it goes, you have to comment if you think it's gonna go in on this timeline of the video. Yeah. And then if I take the shot and it goes in, and then you comment, oh yeah, like that's a miss or a goal, whatever that is. Then I do that one. Let me just kiss my boot. That doesn't count. That was my warm-up shot. That doesn't count either. Alright, third time's a charm. Wrong. Hey, bang! No, this keeper's too good. I was joking. I wasn't gonna hunt you down. I wasn't gonna hunt you. Have I even scored a shot this video? Alright, that's it for today. Let me know if I should do any more of these videos. I kind of really enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys on the next video, probably tomorrow. I'll do another one tomorrow, to be fair. Alright, for the last shot of the game, I'm going to do a free kick. I'm going to miss. If I score, I'm gay. If I actually score now, it's good. I don't want to be called gay. Okay. If I actually score when I said I'm going to be called, I'm going to be gay, I swear. Okay, that one doesn't count. That one was not on purpose, so I don't get called gay either. Okay, one more shot, because you guys probably think I'm lying and missing on purpose. Okay, Beth, what do we do? Let me lock in. I'll have 5 shots, so this is my 4th. Did that go in? No, okay, yes, I'm safe. If I put that, like, right here, that would have went in. I think I put it like this one, that's right, there you go. Yes. Okay, so tomorrow probably will be a better video because, like, today I kept having to hold my, what's it called, my VR because it kept falling. So we'll get it fixed by tomorrow. So that's all it for today. Let me know if I should do just like 2 a day of these. I really like these.